Guys, we are outside India and want to watch Indian channels like Hotstar and JioCinema, but we can't load it in our browser. Access denied when we try to open Hotstar, and it's not loading when we try to open JioCinema.com. It shows something went wrong. I can recommend you to use smart DNS servers that provided by airshield.me website. We are going to the smart DNS pricing section. We want to order free trial to check if it's work. They claim that they can provide an access to MX Player, Hotstar India, JioCinema, Discovery Plus India. 3 days for free. We can cancel the service if we are not satisfied. Okay, try for free. There we need to fill the form. I will skip this step and push submit order. After receiving all the details to our email, we need to go to the admin area and authorize our local IP to use smart DNS. Click add. We see successfully authorized our IP. Then we need to copy smart DNS IP. Click right mouse on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Check network and internet settings. Then choose advanced network settings. Choose our connection, Wi-Fi. In this case, click more adapter options. Click edit. Choose internet protocol version 4. Switch to the manual DNS and input our smart DNS IP there. We were copied it previously. Put the smart DNS IP there. Click OK to save and disable internet protocol version 6. This is important step, don't miss it. Click OK. Now we want to check if our location is changed to India. Navigate to ifconfig.co website. Here we see that our country is detected as India. Now we can try to open Hotstar and JioCinema. Let's try from JioCinema. Refresh the page. It's loading. The same with the Hotstar. I will put the link to AirShield Smart DNS server